Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install Alight Motion on PC. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you will have to type Alight Motion PC. Once I've done that, you are going to see the first link from alightmotionpc.com. So you need to click on this link and then you will be redirected on this page where you can download Alight Motion by clicking on this tab, or you can even download it with BlueStacks. So you will have to click on download with BlueStacks and then you just have to download and install BlueStacks in your device. Now once you have installed it successfully, you just have to launch your BlueStack app and there in the search bar you will have to type Alight Motion. Once I've done that, you are going to see a Light Motion app, so you simply need to tap on it and here you will be able to see the option of install on app player. So you need to click on this option and then you will be able to see that Alight Motion is now start downloading in your device and it will be installed it in your PC. With the help of Alight Motion, you can do animation and video editing, so you can use this application in your PC. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.